This is gonna be hard to open.
Okay, so we just received the Starlink. We are in Northern California where we don't have good internet at all. My son got in on the, was it the beta?
Yeah, it's their, it's the beta program.
Yeah.
The delivery driver said we were the second one she's delivered to in Reading today.
That's so cool.
Not
Okay,
sure.
so here's a
Not
big
sure.
unboxing. Let's take a look at what it is. Okay, so that's kind of neat here. Looks like it's going to be a pretty simple setup. That's what they're showing you. Okay.
Yeah, so I already have the app on my phone, so I don't really do that step.
Packaging, pretty wicked. I love it. Almost looks like a toy. People are gonna roast me for that. Oh, wicked. Okay, that's a pretty large pizza size.
Yeah.
Okay,
Definitely
so
one of the biggest pizzas you'll ever see.
so here's the modem here.
Yeah, it's like a from what I've read, I'm pretty sure it's like pretty sure this is like their router, and then this thing right here might be the modem.
Oh, good point. Yep.
But I'm not.
I like how they almost show you how to plug it all in the packaging, which is pretty wicked. Ryan, why don't we pull out that base, and that shows kind of aluminum maybe.
It's definitely metal. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah,
It's
pretty
feels
nice.
solid.
And then I think the posts are on the. Oh no, it looks like it just plugs right into it. Ryan, you want to put it in real quick? Pull the top off. Show everybody what it looks like.
Oh, you know it's attached to this thing. So let's see.
Maybe there you go, kind of like that. And if you can maybe just take it out. Show me the front of that. Oh yeah, is it flat?
Flat front.
It's pretty wicked.
Nice.
Here, why don't you put it in that stand there and we'll show people what it looks like. There's little pens that it's gonna sit in. There you go.
Nice.
Locks in. Nice.
It's pretty heavy. It's not too bad though.
Wicked.
It'd be like 20 pounds.
Okay. Do another video when we place it and get it up and rolling.